Ford F-150, rear passenger door, driver's side. Wiring harness is out. This sensor, or the wire, goes to your door latch. That's for your window. Again, the motor for your window. This is the switch for your window. And your audio system speaker. Audio system speaker is white and blue and green with brown. To your motor for your window is green and purple, brown, green, purple, yellow, purple and white, blue and orange. That's green and purple that was on that one. Okay, and then for the other mechanism, you're looking at, I don't know if you can see that, but it's purple with a green stripe, gray with a black stripe, straight green, and yellow and black, the yellow being the stripe. Coming down here, this should be straight, but it's been bent. And then all in through here, several wires are disconnected completely, and remove this one. There's a latch on the inside, so after you remove the boot or coupling, then you can squeeze on the pieces on the side here, and then you can remove it from the door, and then you have to bring your thumb up and around, and you have to press on the other one on the inside, and then you can actually remove it from the door. So there's the door one, and again, and there's your other latch right there. Wiring harness, and we've wired them back together, and we've got some heat shrink. Okay, not the best soldering job, but we will put some heat shrink on it. And there was two physical breaks, both the purple and white, and the black with the yellow. That was physically broken. And then we had 1, 2, 3, 4, about 6 other areas where the wire was exposed. And we've also pulled them out of the wiring harness. You can do that by removing this clip, which has little feet which stick over there, so you gently pry them and push, and then that piece will come off. And then you can use a pin to reach inside there and pull down the clip, and then you can pull out the wire from the back. Very good idea to make a diagram, mark out where the wires are physically located from the back and what colors they are. Okay, and now we're going to heat shrink them on with my son. Wiring harness all put back together, and they have this piece of Teflon or plastic, and it's supposed to go in there and it's supposed to act like a guide. So then what happens is it keeps the wire straight, and it just sort of slides back and forth in this plastic unit. Now this already has some plastic deformation. It's not going to be straight. It'll continue the process of being bent. So what we're going to do is take a Lysol container, wipes, and then we've cut off a piece of plastic, approximate length of that, and we'll use it as a sheath around the unit in order to be able to act as the same thing and also help protect those wires and stop them from bending. Okay, so here we've taken the plastic and we've wrapped it up with electrical tape, and then you can take this unit and you can bring it forward. You want to do that? And then we can test out the accordion-like qualities of it. So yeah, so it slides back and forth easily over top of it. The original one will have sort of like a felt tape that was over top of this. All right, so now we've taken out this component and we've substituted a piece of plastic like this, tried to keep it crimped down as well as possible, so as close as possible to the wires to stop them from bending, and to add some rigidity so the unit functions properly.